Hello friends, this is Professor Dattu Patel from LJ Institute of Engineering and Technology. Last lecture, we are already learned about shortcut method for finding the particular integral case 1 to 4. Today's lecture, we are going to discuss about case 5 for finding the particular integral and reduction of order and general method of finding the particular integral. Let us start with case 5. When r of x is the form of x raised to m into v, where v is a function of x and m is any positive integer, then we use case 5. Then 1 upon f of d into x into v. Here we consider for m equal to 1, then x 1 upon f of d into v, where v is any function of x, minus f of d square, derivative of f of d in numerator portion into v. This formula used for case 5. If we have here more than power 1 means x square x cube, then we cannot go for case 5. At that case, we use variation of parameter method to easily solve the particular integral. In this case, we can also use variation of parameter method as well as undetermined coefficient method. Let us start with one example to better understanding. Example number 1. D square plus 9 of 5 equal to x into sin x. First of all, we find YC. Each and every example we find YC. Then our auxiliary equation is, that is m square plus 9 equal to 0, then m square equal to minus 9, then m equal to plus or minus 3i. Here alpha equal to 0, beta equal to 3. That is use case 3 when the factors are complex and non-repeated. Then yc equal to e raised to 0x c1 cos beta x. Beta is here, beta equal to 3. Then 3x plus c2 sin 3x e raised to 0 1. Then our yc is c1 cos 3x plus c2 sin 3x. That is our equation number A, where c1 and c2 are arbitrary constant. Now we find yp or particular integral, that is indicated by cf or pi or yp, or here yc indicated by cf or yc. Then formula is 1 upon f of d into r of x. That portion that is indicated by f of d, and this portion that is indicated by r of x. Which case we use, that is a depends on r of x. Clear? Here x into v, then we use case 5 where v is a sin x. Then substitute the values of r of x and f of d. Then our f of d is equal to d square plus 9. Here r of x equal to x into sin x. Then we use case 5 formula. Then x 1 upon f of d into v. Then f of d, which is d square plus 9 into v sin x, minus 1 upon f of d square. 1 upon f of d square, and the numerator portion that is f dash of d into v, then sin x. At this position, we use case 2 of particular integral. In case 2 we use replace d square equal to minus a square. Here a equal to 1. Then replace d square equal to minus 1. Then we get x 1 upon minus 1 plus 9 into sin x minus 2d minus 1 plus 9 whole square into sin x. Then here x by 8 sin x minus 2d, 8 square 64, then 2 32 2s into sin x. If multiplication में if d is multiplied, then capital D, that is our operator, means we can write d by dx, means derivative of sin. Then x by 8 sin x minus 1 by 32 d by dx of sin x, and derivative of sin, that is cos, that is our yp. Then general solution is y of x equal to yc plus yp, that is our equation b. Then substitute the values of equation number a and equation number b at this position, and we get general solution. Let's understand one more example. Example number 2. D square minus 2d plus 1 of y equal to x e raised to x into sin x. Here exponential function x into sin x, three term as a product form. First we find yc, then our auxiliary equation is that is a square plus 2 minus 2ab plus b square perfect square, then m minus 1 whole square equal to 0, then m equal to 1 1, then yc equal to c1 plus c2x e raised to mx, that is our equation number 1. Here yp equal to 1 upon f of t into r of x. Then here that portion indicated by f of t and that portion indicated by r of x. Then substitute the values of f of t and r of x. Here x into e raised to x into sin x. At this position, first we use case form, means exponential function into v, e raised to x into v, where v is x into sin x. Then here we can write d minus 1 whole square. Then first d minus 1 whole square e raised to x, x into sin x. Then according to the case 4, then 1 upon e raised to x comes outside the operator, replace d as a d plus a, here a equal to 1, then d plus 1 minus 1 into x into sin x. Here we use case 4, then minus 1 plus 1 cancel out, then we get e raised to x 1 upon d square into x into sin x. Now we use case 5. Then according to the case 5, x comes outside the operator, then x 1 upon f of t into v. Now here x into v, according to the case 5, x into v, then x comes outside, then operator 1 upon d square into sin x minus f of d square, then d raised to 4, derivative of f of d, that is 2d into sin x. Now here we use case 2. According to the case 2, we replace d square equal to minus a square, here a equal to 1, then e raised to x as it is, x d square equal to minus 1, then 1 upon minus 1 into sin x minus 2d minus 1 whole square. Here we can write d raised to 4 means d square whole square, minus 1 whole square into sin x. Now minus 1 square 1, minus minus common, then we can write e raised to minus x, x into sin x plus 2. Here capital D means operator d by dx into sin x. Derivative of sin, that is cos x. Then we get x sin x plus 2 cos x. That is our yp. Now general solution. Y of x equal to yc plus yp. Substitute the value yc and yp in this equation. Example number 3rd, you can try yourself. In this case, we use just directly case 5. We can start next method, that is our general method. Next topic is general method to finding the particular integral. These are the examples of general method. In this case, in this method, if capital X is a function of x, then 1 upon f of d means d minus a into x. Here x is a function of x, means that x we can consider as a r of x. Then 1 upon f of d into r of x equal to, here formula is, if sign is negative, then we consider positive, e raised to x integral e raised to minus ax. If here sign is negative, then first positive, then negative into x dx. If here sign is, means our factor is 1 upon d plus a into x, then we consider first negative sign, then positive into x dx. These are the formula to finding the particular integral in this method. There are various methods of finding the particular integral. Today up to case 5 we learn about shortcut methods. Next we learn about general method to finding the particular integral. Already we learn undetermined coefficient method and variation of parameter methods. Now let us understand with one simple example to finding the particular integral in this method. Then first example, y double dash minus 4y dash plus 4y equal to e raised to 2x y x raised to 5. First of all, we find yc. Then here rewrite the equation d square minus 4d plus 4 of y equal to e raised to 2x upon x raised to 5. Then here d minus 2 whole square of y e raised to 2x upon x raised to 5. We require this type of factors to finding the particular integral. Then first our auxiliary equation is that m minus 2 whole square equal to 0. Then m equal to 2 twice. Here we use case 2 of yc. Then yc equal to c1 plus c2x e raised to 2x, where c1 and c2 are arbitrary constant. Then yp equal to 1 upon f of t. Then here f of t, that is d minus 2 whole square into r of x, that is e raised to 2x upon x raised to 5. Then we use definition of pi, means general method of pi. Then we consider only d minus 2 as a single time first, then find. Clear? Now Now 1 upon d minus 2 as it is, according to this, here sign is negative, then we consider positive here a equal to 2, then e raised to 2x, integral e raised to minus 2x into x. Here x means our r of x, that is e raised to 2x upon x raised to 5 dx. Here positive negative cancel out, then d minus 2 e raised to 2x as it is. Here integral x raised to minus 5 dx, then integral of this term, then 1 upon d minus 2 e raised to 2x, x raised to minus 4 upon minus 4. Now minus 4, which is constant, that is outside the bracket with sign, then we consider d minus 2, here e raised to 2x upon x raised to 4. We again use general method to finding the pi. Then again d minus 2, then we consider e raised to 2x positive, e raised to minus 2x, e raised to 2x upon x raised to 4 dx. Now this term are cancelled out. The remaining term is then minus 1 by 4 e raised to 2x, x raised to minus 4 dx. Then we get minus 1 by 4 e raised to 2x, x raised to minus 3 by minus 3, minus minus plus 4 3s are 12, then 1 by 12 e raised to 2x by x cube, that is our yp. Now our general solution is y of x equal to yc plus yp. Substitute the values of yc and yp in this equation and we get general solution. Let's understand one more example. Next example. Y double dash plus 4y dash plus 4y equal to e raised to minus 2x by x square. Now, first of all you find yc according to the above examples. I go for directly yp, then yp formula 1 upon, here rewrite the equation, then d square plus 4d plus 4 of y equal to e raised to minus 2x by x square. Then we can write here d square plus 4d plus 4 e raised to minus 2x by x square. Then we can write 1 upon d plus 2 whole square e raised to minus 2x by x square. Then again we can write d plus 2 e raised to minus 2x by x square. Then our formula is, here sign is positive, then first negative a equal to 2, then e raised to minus 2x integral e raised to 2x into r of x or into x, that is our x or r of x. Then positive negative cancel out, then 1 upon d plus 2 e raised to minus 2x integral x raised to minus 2 dx. Now 1 upon d plus 2, here e raised to minus 2x, x raised to minus 2, then 1 upon x raised to minus 2 plus 1, then 1 upon x. Again we use the formula, then e raised to minus positive sign, then e raised to minus 2 integral e raised to 2x into e raised to minus 2x by x dx. Then e raised to minus 2x positive negative cancel out, integral of 1 upon x dx, integral of 1 upon x, that is ln x, that is our yp. Then general solution is y of x equal to yc plus yp. Then substitute the values of yc and yp. Similarly, you can try this example yourself as a homework. Y double dash minus 2y dash plus y equal to e raised to x by x square. Next topic is reduction of order. how to find the basis if one solution is already known. Then the general solution of a homogeneous equation y double dash plus a of x y dash plus b of x y equal to 0 in this form of our differential equation which is given. Then according to this we already know about a of x and b of x. Then u of x equal to total integral e raised to minus integral of a of x dx upon y1 square, where y1 is a first solution which is already given in question dx. Then y1 is the first solution which is already given in question. Then find the second solution. The formula is y2 of x equal to u of x into first solution. Then substitute the values of u of x in this equation. Now general solution is then y of x equal to c1 y1 plus c2 y2, where c1 and c2 are arbitrary constant. Substitute the values of y1 and y2. Let us start with one example. First example, in this case y double dash plus 4y dash plus 4y equal to 0. Here y1 equal to means that is our first solution which is given y1 equal to e raised to minus 2x. Find the second solution and general solution. Then first of all y1 equal to e raised to minus 2x, that is given. Our differential equation which is compared with here a of x, that is value of a of x, then a of x equal to 4, b of x equal to 4. Then we find u of x. Then u of x equal to total integral e raised to minus integral of a of x dx upon y1 square into dx. That is the formula for finding the u of x. Then substitute the values e raised to minus integral a of x, that is 4 dx y1, that is first solution which is given e raised to minus 2x whole square into dx. Then integral of minus 4 which is constant, then we get integral, total integral here e raised to minus 4x, denominator portion which is also e raised to minus 4x dx which is cancel out. The integral of 1 dx, that is x, that is the value of u of x. Now second solution is then y of x equal to u of x into y1 of x. Substitute the values of u1 and u of x into y. U of x, that is our x, and y1, that is our e raised to minus 2x. Then we get second solution, that is y2 of x. Now general solution is then y of x equal to c1 y1 of x plus c2 y2 of x. Just substitute the values of y1 and y2. Then here c1 y1 of x, that is e raised to minus 2x plus c2 here y2 of x, that is x e raised to minus 2x, and e raised to minus 2x common, then we can write c1 plus c2x e raised to minus 2x. That is our general solution. Means that is nothing but the complementary function yc. According to if some of example we cannot given first solution, then how we identify which one is first solution? Then just whatever the differential equation which is given you, just finding the complementary function in your mind. Getting? Then in this equation we just find y double dash plus 4y dash plus 4y equal to 0. Then here d square plus 4d plus 4y common. Then our auxiliary equation m plus 4 whole square equal to 0. Sorry, m plus 2. Then m equal to minus 2 minus 2. That is our case 2. Then yc equal to c1 plus c2x e raised to minus 2x. That answer which is same as. Now x1 this bracket. Then c1 e raised to minus x plus c2x e raised to minus 2x. And according to this yc, we can consider any one. Suppose that is our y1, then that is our y2. If you consider that is y1, then this one is y2. If you have any choice of this term, consider this y1, then we get y2. If you have considered this term as a y1, then that is our y2. As you like, whatever you want. Next example. Here, first solution which is y1 equal to x. Differential equation is x square y double dash plus xy dash. Here x square y double dash plus xy dash minus y equal to 0. Now, first of all, we convert this equation into standard form. Means divide by x square. Then 1 upon x y dash minus 1 upon x square y equal to, so that is our a of x. Then a of x equal to 1 upon x, b of x equal to which sign we consider. Now u of x equal to integral e raised to minus integral of a of x and 1 upon x dx upon y1 square dx. Integral e raised to minus ln x upon y1 square. Then y1 which is x, then here x square dx. Then according to this equation, minus 1 sign above, then x raised to minus 1 x square dx. Then e raised to log x, then we write x, yeah, e raised to x minus 1, then we write x raised to minus 1. Then that is 1 upon x raised to 3 dx. Then we can write x raised to minus 3 dx. Then integral this, then x raised to minus 2 by minus 2, then minus 1 by 2 into x raised to minus 2. That is our u of x. Then second solution is y2 of x equal to y1 of x into u of x. And y1 of x, that is x into minus 1 by 2 into 1 upon x square. X cancel. Then 1 by 2 x raised to minus 1 or minus 1 by 2 of x, that is our y2 of x. Then general solution is, then y of x equal to c1 y1 plus c2 y2. Then substitute the values of c1 y1 that is x, here c2 y2 which is minus 1 half into x, then minus 1 half into x, but that is our constant, c2 which is also constant. Then constant into constant we consider as another constant. We cannot write constant term, that is considered as a c2. Then we write only variable term. Then that is our general solution, c1x plus c2x raised to minus 1, that is also yc. This differential equation which is in terms of Cauchy-Euler's linear ordinary differential equation. We already learn this topic to next lecture, then you can better understand. Next example, this example you can try yourself as a homework. If you have any doubts regarding this topic, then feel free contact me. Thank you so much for listening this video.